Pranam viewers. I am Jayashree Kayal from Department of MSc Yoga Holistic Health from DSVB, Haridwar. Today my topic is the Jalandhar Bandh. The Jalandhar Bandh, first I telling this meaning of the Jalandhar Bandh, then indication and contraindication together, and then I describe the how to perform the Jalandhar Bandh, the procedure. The first, the meaning of Jalandhar Bandh. Jalan means the net, or dhara means flow. So the full meaning is the network, or bandh means the lock, interlock. The which interlock is the balancing the flow of the network of nadis. Here nadis means the blood vessels, and lymph vessels means full immunity function lymph vessels, and then nerve vessels, which is the present and located in the neck region. So, and another meaning is the says that the Jalan means water, or Bandh means dhara means flow, and Bandh means lock. Which bandha interlock the flow of water from upper region. Here Shiv Samhita and Shiv Samhita 4/71 and Hat Pradipika 3/61 have described that the Jalandhar Bandha, if you practice Jalandhar Bandha, it destroys the premature death and it destroys the old age. How we described how that, because it is the interlock the flow of pineal gland and pituitary gland and thyroid parathyroid gland, which is this secretion is the very rejuvenating way of our bodies, and this it gave so many siddhis. That's described as the Shiv Samhita and Hat Pradipika and Garna Samhita above. Here we are telling that here the flow of the is blocking the air pipe. Is blocking the air pipe. Then is the prana, or prana is conserved. Here then what is happened that here present is the main carotid artery, which is the main supplies of the brain blood supplies of the brain. Is when we are interlock the pressing that carotid arteries, then the heart rate is slow down, then prana is conserved, and the whole blood flow is slowly reduced, and sympathetic nerve also decrease. That times our if we are angriness, your high BP and anxiety, that is destroyed by this Jalandhar Bandha. We can destroy. That's why this is says in Shiva Samhita and Hat Pradipika. And one thing again happen with that. Here present is thyroid gland and tonsil. Tonsil is the main gland of immunity system. When we are pressing any gland, then it's increasing their function. It is increases function and it's functioning well. Then when we are pressing that, then any kinds of pain of the neck, it can be destroyed. So or if any patient feeling the high BP, don't practice by listening my voice or listening this video, because this is also harmful to you. Because if we are contracting or so many times, so long times we are contracting the air in within or outwards, this is the most constructive your heart. That's so that my decision is that if you practice, you can practice in any guidance. Under guidance, you can practice if high BP patient or vertigo patient or heart disease patient. And next have this is the nectar, which is the flow from upper region to the downward the stomach. This is stomach destroys the all nectars. This is the moon region, and the stomach is the sun region. The sun region all destroys these the moon secretions. So it is harmful for our body. That's why Hatha Yoga says this for practicing this mantra. And the thyroid and parathyroid gland, the main gland of metabolism control. If you are failing in obesity, if it is happen, it's of the thyroid or parathyroid gland disturbance, this mudra also destroy this. Shiv Samhita also says that you can practice this 16 days. Within 16 days you can see the if you are practicing 3 times in a day. Again, this practice, this Jalandhar Bandha, you can practice with any pranayama. This is more helpful, and you can practice it by exhaling lock or by inhaling air lock. By after Richoka Kumbhaka or Ant Kumbhaka or Baha Kumbhaka, you can attain this bandha. And again, one thing you can notice that this practice already happen automatically in some asanas like Viprit Karni or Halasana or Sarvangasana, etc. And with some mudras like Viprit Karni mudra, like that, etc. So now we are showing the videos of the procedure. This practice also introvert your mind to one pointedness. This is the Vishuddha Chakra, where thyroid gland is present, the apple of Idam. When we are practicing this, we are concentrate in these chakras, in this region. Continue. And first we are what are doing? Place both hand on your knees, and then we can practice it with inhale or exhale. Now first we are inhaling air through the both nostril and hold it by chin touches with the chest. And how much time you can hold it, you hold, and up when you feel that you are can't hold, feeling some dizziness, then you can release this practice and be normal breathing. Now how this is? After exhaling also we can then, after pulling your abdomen and chest, inhale and then exhale completely and interlock. And with inhalation, release and normal breathing. Thank you for watching. Thank you.